Hey there! If you're stuck with error code 2204 or facing matchmaking issues in Warzone on your iPhone, don't sweat it. I've got your back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to fix this hiccup and get you back into the action. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's ensure your internet is up and running smoothly. Start by opening any browser on your iPhone. Now, navigate to a website of your choice and see if it loads properly. If not, activate airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. After that, see if the error persists. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that does the trick. Solution 2. Give a VPN a shot. Using a VPN might just be the ticket to resolving this issue. I recommend trying out the 1.1.1.1 Faster Internet VPN. It's free and backed by Cloudflare. Of course, feel free to use any other VPN apps you prefer. Simply connect to the VPN server and see if it resolves the problem. Solution 3. Offload Warzone Mobile. Let's free up some space by offloading Warzone from your iPhone. Head over to your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll until you find COD Warzone, then tap on it. Hit the Offload app button followed by Offload app. It will be offloaded in no time. Now tap on Reinstall app and let Warzone reinstall. Once done, check if the issue persists. Solution 4. Reset your network settings. It's time to give your network settings a reset. Open up the Settings app once again. Then scroll down and locate General, then give it a tap. Next, scroll a bit further and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then tap on Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping on Reset Network Settings. Your network settings will be reset and hopefully this issue will vanish. And there you have it. That's how you troubleshoot error code 2204 or matchmaking errors in Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for tuning in.